we are going to be doing the third look in the Friends Inspired series. And if you couldn't tell from this absolutely ridiculous hairdo, it's going to be Phoebe. The look is inspired by Robin Siegel, the head makeup artist's way of describing Phoebe's look, if you will, which is pink lips, rosy cheeks, and beige eyeshadow with a brown flick. That being said, let's go into the products. Starting with the new things that I either haven't used in other videos or is pretty new to me. This is the Grown Alchemist Hydra-repair Day Cream. I've used this a few times now. It claims to give me a nourishing, non-greasy facial moisturizer, and it does that for me. Sorry, my neighbors are riding a bike. So the other new product that I use today is the Evio Beauty Pore-fect Primer with a matte finish. This is natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free. So that's all fantastic in my book. Does it get the job done? I happen to like this. I don't know that it's matte per se. Yeah, it probably is. The Fenty Beauty is a new product that I got in my BoxyCharm Luxe. This is Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I have to say, it works for my skin tone, so I'm really surprised. You know, yes, they have like a list of like, I have blue eyes, blonde hair, like they know what my tones are, but the fact that it matched so well is definitely impressive. That hasn't been the case with all my subscriptions. Because there is a lot of rosy tones to this look, that's usually something I don't tend to wear, particularly blush. This is NARS Orgasm. The way that I'm wearing it now is probably, this is fine. I would never wear blush any darker than this. This is super, super subtle. So I have to say, I don't have an issue with this. It's a cult fave if you're a blush person. I can see why people would like it. It's just not, I'm not a blush person. Probably my favorite takeaways of new products to get for this look is Charlotte Tilbury. And so I use Lip Cheat as my lip liner, and I used Pillow Talk as my lipstick. Some okay products or products that are just like, okay, whatever. Let's talk about my mascara today, which I can't find. So my mascara today is new. I got it in, I believe, my BoxyCharm, and it's Trestique. And it is supposed to be like a 3-in-1. The Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, synthetic, fragrance-free. So that's nice and exciting, but I mean, this is intense, you guys. It is a little operation over here. It built pretty nicely. I have to say, it did a really great job on my lower lashes. I think I'm just so into my mascaras that it's very hard to just keep growing on them. So I think that's just okay. The other thing is my e.l.f. HD powder. I mean, I don't hate it. Let's talk about the reason why this whole series started, which is the Actual Revolution Friends brand. As you see, I used the Taxi one today. Because of the two, I definitely think it's more flattering. And I used Engine and Ensemble Show. Again, super laid back, downplayed look. I have to say, as fun as this one is, and probably much more, like when you see this, you know this is Friends. I can't say that I love this as much. One, I don't think all of the colors and the shades are the same quality. Some are better pigmented, some build better. It was fun to play with, but I probably won't use this as much. And ironically enough, the Phoebe lip gloss, which is like $8, is very dark. So I didn't use it with this look. I just don't apparently like novelty lip glosses. I just don't think I like lip glosses. So there's that. So take that with a grain of salt. Let's throw this on. I think it's a flattering color. I don't think it's true to Phoebe, but I don't know. So there you have it, a lot of great new products, some that are just okay. Let me know of the 3 looks, which one is your favorite in the comments below. And next time, I think we're gonna be doing some wellness boxes that you can get at your local grocery store. And they're actually really, really impressive. So find out which grocery store I am talking about. I will see you next time. Have a good day.